Here's how you get your C6 Cabinet, Millwork, and Finish Carpentry Contractors license in California. This license allows you to make and install cabinets, cases, sashes, doors, windows, and trims, etc. If this sounds like the type of work that you perform, first, consider the requirements. You must have at least 4 years of journeyman level experience in cabinet, millwork, and finish carpentry. Journeyman level is defined as the experience gained when an individual is no longer a trainee or apprentice, and that individual can perform cabinet, millwork, and finish carpentry work without supervision. In addition to the experience requirements, you must be at least 18 years old. However, due to the 4-year journeyman level experience requirement, we recommend applying for the C6 Cabinet, Millwork, and Finish Carpentry Contractors license when you're around 23 years old. The final requirement is to have a Social Security number, or ITIN, Individual Taxpayer Identification Number. If you meet these requirements, you are ready to apply. As a student at Contractors Intelligence School, your course will include a detailed timeline which will guide you through the licensing process. Videos will be provided to guide you every step of the way, including how to fill out an application, scheduling your exam, instructions on completing the live scan fingerprinting, and details on any additional steps required by the Contractor State Licensing Board. To begin the process, fill out the state application, which your staff will review and hand deliver to the Contractor State Licensing Board for processing. Around a month after your application is submitted, a notice will be issued that your application has been processed and that you can schedule your exam. You'll be taking 2 state exams, the Law and Business exam and the Cabinet, Millwork, and Finish Carpentry trade exam. The Law and Business exam focuses on how to run a contracting business, contracts, liens, employment, and so on. The trade exam focuses on estimation, fabrication and installation of cabinetry and millwork, etc. All questions are multiple choice. You will have 3.5 hours to complete each exam. Both exams must be passed to obtain a contractor license number. Contractors Intelligence School will prepare you for these exams. While keeping your busy schedule in mind, our program is designed to be simple, time efficient, and guarantee success on your first try. Our course includes exam preparation videos which contain 3D illustrations and images for better comprehension. The reading material is carefully selected. We even provide audio courses for learning on the go. The practice tests combine the online, written, and audio elements and include the ever-popular video explanations. You'll be able to access your course through our exclusive mobile app, giving you the flexibility to study anywhere. If you haven't signed up yet, you can create a free demo account and see what it's like to be a student. Link in the description below. After passing both exams with the Contractor State Licensing Board, you will receive instructions outlining the final paperwork needed before a Cabinet, Millwork, and Finish Carpentry Contractor's License number is issued. Submitting this final paperwork and completing the final process can sometimes be tricky, but with our guidance, it couldn't be simpler. If you carry out all these steps, congratulations, you will be a licensed cabinet, millwork, and finish carpentry contractor. Now it's time to go out there and earn more money as your own boss.